Welcome to the Melco training video on the Epson F2100. This video is about your scheduled maintenance. Always do a nozzle check before you print for the day. Go to Maintenance, Nozzle Check, hit OK to print. You can print directly on your platen. If you notice your pattern is broken, as shown here on the whites, you'll need to do a cleaning. To execute a head cleaning, go to Maintenance, Head Cleaning, select the nozzles you want to clean. In this case, we'll select white. Then choose light, medium, or heavy cleanings. The longer your printer is off, the more heavy your cleanings will need to be. After cleaning, do another nozzle check until you see that you have a good pattern. One nozzle missing here and there will not be an issue. Head cap cleaning. Locate your maintenance kit that came with your printer with cleaning solution and cleaning swabs. On your printer control panel, go to the main menu, Maintenance, Head Cap Cleaning, hit Yes to move the platen back, then open the printer cover. The print head will retract and the head cap will pop up. Put a little cleaning solution in your tray and use your small cleaning swab to clean inside of the head cap. Clean the swabs because you can reuse them. Use the larger swab to clean around the head cap. Continue cleaning inside and out of the head cap. If you break up any ink buildup, remove it and keep cleaning. Your printer came with a pair of tweezers. These are convenient for removing any additional ink buildup and little pieces. Continue cleaning until your head cap is sufficiently clean. Replace the head cleaning set. Your head cleaning set includes a fabric wiper, anti-drying capping station, and a filter. To replace, go to Maintenance, Head Cleaning Set, and follow the prompts on screen. The print head will retract, the fabric wiper will move forward, and the anti-drying capping station will pop up. Simply remove the old fabric wiper and slide the new one back in place. Push down to ensure it's locked. To remove the anti-drying capping station, use both hands to pull back the black tab and pull up. Insert the new capping station by pulling back the black tab and pushing down in place. Ensure that it's snug and fit properly. On the left side, pull the white tab to remove the spit tray filter. Have a paper towel handy in case it drips. Insert the new filter and push down until it locks in place. The spit tray filter can be cleaned and reused. Anytime you notice ink buildup, you should rinse it out. Simply run under warm water and thoroughly clean the screen until water flows through evenly. Clean around the print head. Go to Maintenance, Clean Around Head, and follow the prompts on screen. I recommend watching the Epson video on how to clean around the print head. Click the link to watch. Clean the scale and replace the filter. The air filter pack comes with an air filter and cleaning pads. To remove the old air filter, pull up the black tab and remove. To insert the new filter, slide in and lock in place. The cleaning pad is a non-lint cloth. Saturate with Epson cleaning solution. Pinch the scale and rub back and forth a few times until clean. I encourage you to watch the Epson training video on how to clean the scale and change the filter. How to replace white ink with cleaning solution. Go to the main screen in Maintenance. Replace white ink. The screen will then prompt you to go from white to cleaning solution. Hit Yes. After the screen has prompted you, open the left bay doors, remove the white ink, and insert cleaning cartridges. Close the door and the process will begin. For more detailed videos on Epson maintenance, go to epson.com/support/F2000. Be sure to watch all of our Epson DTG videos on the Melco YouTube channel.